my daily book. It is a present of the parents of my baby. I like this present and I just write in Dutch. Shout out to my family Kluwer. To Netherlands Wiegen. Groetjes aan jullie. En ik mis jullie. Maar wij zien elkaar snel. Always a problem with the key. With my Chinese name. Crazy, eh? Got my sports watch. I don't need something else. 10th floor. Just to pick up my training partner. You ready?
I'm ready.
It's my training partner, dance partner opposite Lottie.
Good morning.
Ready for training?
Yes.
Let's go to workout.
Let's go.
I like this place.
It's good.
Hey how? Always welcome. It's always the entrance of our gym. Crazy. See the seating? I'm ready for the gym.
Yes.
See ya. This is the entrance of our theater.
Yeah. It is.
But we need to go to the backstage entrance.
Hey! How are you doing?
That's my buddy Jimmy.
My lover, man. Undercover.
By the way, there's his girlfriend.
They are both my showmates. Hashtag no homo.
You wanna take a ride on your disco?
This is my other showmate, one of my opposites. 360 degrees audience. These are the amazing dancers.
Hey, I liked it.
We are done now with the first rehearsal for our first shoot together. It will be not the last one. Be excited how it will be. This is a Chinese restaurant where we actually almost always are. Hello, Leona. Long time no see. Are you good?
Good. Hello.
This is Leona, one of our favorite services.
You are also nice.
Thanks. Well, actually nice weather.
Perfect.
I know you're thinking like actually nice weather, you are stupid, the sun is not shining and whatever. It's perfect for you. You have to think about we have every day
So hot.
around 30 degrees or 31 degrees. The sun is really smashing on your skin and now we can really enjoy this kind of weather.
We go out to dinner every day. This is the China life. 2 times a day I go out. You have a whole meal for €4. €4. That's fucking cheap.
Off to our apartment. Chinese taxi. And there are my friends. Say hello to my friends. This is a kind of bakery where we are. Delicious stuff. Yes.
What?
Chocolate brownie. Now, can I get the chocolate brownie, please? Now we did the show. It's already evening. We have now, I think, 9:30. We are in the Cherish.
I know.
Cherish is a place where we actually always are
Pretty excited.
after the show. One of my friends.
Nice haircut.
Nice haircut, made by Barbara D. I do always the haircuts of my friend. Oh, bon appetit. Wow,
Thank you.
You're eating like a monster. Always
Broccoli.
if I see him, he's always eating.
Eating what?
The game muscle. My restaurant friends. It's June
Hello!
and John.
Woo! Yeah.
So, that's the best kind of meal what you could get here in Cherish. And here is the Mr. Miguel.
Miggy boss. What up?
Also a dance mate of mine. For the next days you will see what it's coming.